I call letters, calling letters, I covet letters of life, LIFE. But COVID-19 rushes before I pick my immunity. What I need is a liberty. We're like birds in cages, staying at ease for remaining safe. See, I call parties, joining A's and B's, M's and N's, but COVID-19 become the theme. It doesn't matter if you miss a relative or a friend. This disaster built a strong barrier between our hands. Hugs were for years, kisses for miracles, traveling for rejoicing, and praying for unity. But look, I call parties and they dance individually. I call comfort and remain in a single room. I call blessedness and all I see is tears. Sky, being not the limit, the pandemic steals the life one by one steadily. World is not static. As badly, this enemy keeps starving the beliefs of all kinds, causing homelessness to inferior. I am calling the colors, smelling flowers, being the savior. Days are putting to doom, causing panic to pandemic. Running out of 2019, I thought the twin year was bringing mixed blessings and water to all souls. What I see is not what I saw, indeed, what we are facing. From first page, the agenda came to life. To the first word, first visit, our eyes were wide open, for the problem lies in the abilities of whole world. Hear me, alphabets that I'm calling are for solutions that we need to delight in. The power rests in superior hands. Relief is that staying safe is our medication, washing well our hands, putting a distance with people which is not familiar, yet for good to survive. Our knees are on the ground, calling the Harry name with great letters to give help and salvation. I'm calling letters for comfort and safety. All will be fine. Nothing lasts.